This video will walk you through how to get started with Cambridge Lower Secondary eBooks on the Collins Hub. For this video, we will use the example of Cambridge Lower Secondary English. When you first log into the Collins Hub as a teacher, you'll land in the library. If you subscribe to other Collins resources, these will be displayed in the library as seen here. Select Cambridge Lower Secondary English to access the resources. On the next screen, you will see the eBooks and resources you have access to as part of your school's subscription. In this case, the teacher has access to the student books and teacher guides for all stages 7 to 9. Selecting either the student book or the teacher guide will open up the eBook, which mirrors the layout of the printed book. You can use the table of contents on the right-hand side to navigate to a particular section of the book, or use the arrows at the bottom of the page to flip through the pages or go to a specific page. Via the three-dot menu, you can flick between single and double page view, view the book in full screen mode, and access zoom options, including fitting the content to the width of the screen. If you have classes set up on the Collins Hub, you can share eBooks to your students' libraries. Select the book or books you want to share. For example, Stage 7 student book as shown here. Then click Share to Library. You can either share to all students in the class or to individual students within the class, as required. Once shared, the book or books in question will be available to the students the next time they log in. If you have any further questions or need any support using Collins products, then please contact our digital support team at education.support@harpercollins.co.uk or by visiting our help and support page at www.collinshub.co.uk/help-and-support.